Camels are mammals with long legs, a big lip snout and a humped back. There are two types of camels, dromedary camels, which have one hump, and Bactrian camels, which have two humps. Camels' humps consist of stored fat, which they can metabolize when food and water is scarce. In addition to their humps, camels have other ways to adapt to their environment. They have a third, clear eyelid that protects their eyes from blowing sand. 2 rows of long lashes also protect their eyes. Sand up the nose can be a problem, but not for camels. They can shut their nostrils during sandstorms. Humans have used camels as a means of transport for thousands of years. They can carry about 375 to 600 pounds, 170 to 270 kilograms, on their backs, according to National Geographic. This earned these beasts of burden a nickname, ships of the desert. Domestic camels are often the main source of meat, milk, and even leather or wool products. Size. Most camels tower above humans. A Bactrian camel, according to the San Diego Zoo, grows to a shoulder height of 6 feet, 1.8 meters, and a body length of 10 feet, 3 m. They normally weigh 1,320 to 2,200 pounds, 600 to 1,000 kilograms, when they are fully grown. Dromedary camels get up to about 6.5 feet, 2 m, tall at the shoulder and weigh 880 to 1,325 pounds, 400 to 600 kilograms. Diet. Camels aren't picky about what they eat. Their thick lips allow them to eat things that most other animals couldn't, such as thorny plants. Camels are herbivores, though, so you won't find them eating meat. Filling up on water, when it's available, is very important for camels. They can drink 30 gallons, 113 liters, of water in just 13 minutes. Their bodies rehydrate faster than any other mammal. When there is little food and water, the camel's hump fat releases water, 9.3 grams of fat releases 1.13 grams of water, according to research by the University of Singapore. Habitat. The two types of camel are found in different parts of the world. The dromedary camel, also called an Arabian camel, can be found in North Africa and the Middle East. The Bactrian camel lives in Central Asia. No matter the type, camels are usually found in the desert, prairie, or steppe. Though many people think that camels only live in hot climates, they do well in temperature ranges from 20 degrees F, minus 29 degrees C, to 120 degrees F, 49 degrees C. Habits. The two types of camel are found in different parts of the world. The dromedary camel, also called an Arabian camel, can be found in North Africa and the Middle East. The Bactrian camel lives in Central Asia. No matter the type, camels are usually found in the desert, prairie, or steppe. Though many people think that camels only live in hot climates, they do well in temperature ranges from 20 degrees F, minus 29 degrees C, to 120 degrees F, 49 degrees C. Habits. Camels like to stay together in groups called herds. The herds are led by a dominant male, while many of the other males form their own herd called a bachelor herd. Camels are very social and like to greet each other by blowing in each other's faces. Offspring. After a gestation of 12 to 14 months, a mother camel will find a private spot to have her young. Female camels usually only have one baby, but sometimes camels have twins. Baby camels are called calves. The newborn calf is able to walk within 30 minutes, though the two won't rejoin the herd until around 2 weeks later. Camels become fully mature when they are 7 years old. Camels live around 17 years. Other facts. Camels can run at 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, for long periods. If their owner is in a hurry, they can kick their speed up to 40 miles per hour, 67 kilometers per hour. The camel's hump is like a storage container. When camels use their stored fat, their hump will diminish. When they eat and drink again, the hump will refill with fat. Camels have oval-shaped red blood cells that help continue blood flow during times when water is scarce. Camels are known for spitting on people. In fact, the animals are throwing up the contents of their stomach along with spit. This is a defense tactic when the animals feel threatened. The large beasts make a variety of moans, groans and deep, throaty bellows. One of the camel's noises was even used to voice the character Chewbacca in the Star Wars movies. Fun facts: the dromedary camel is capable of drinking 100 L, 30 gal, of water in just 10 minutes. Dromedary camels can tolerate water loss equal to over 30% of their body weight. Camels store fat in the hump, not water. They are born without a hump because the layer of fat does not develop until they eat solid food. Dromedary camels may browse for 6 to 8 hours every day. Unlike most mammals, a healthy camel's body temperature fluctuates throughout the day from 34 degrees Celsius to 41.7 degrees Celsius, 93 degrees Fahrenheit to 107 degree F. This fluctuation is important because it allows the camel to conserve water by not sweating as the environmental temperature rises. The dromedary camel is no longer considered a wild animal. In Africa and Arabia it is a semi-domesticated animal that free ranges but is under the control of herders. Dromedary camels may be occasionally preyed upon by wolves. Ecology and conservation. The dromedary camel has adopted an adaptive feeding strategy to help it survive in the desert. This species only selects a few leaves from each plant. These camels are also capable of eating parts of the plant that other species avoid, such as the thorns of the acacia tree. Foraging herds of camels will disperse widely so that they do not overexploit the vegetation in one area. This selective feeding strategy reduces the stress on the vegetation and reduces competition between camels and other herbivores. The dromedary camel is no longer considered a wild animal. In Africa and Arabia, it is a semi-domesticated animal that free ranges but is under the control of herders. Natural history. Camels have an unmistakable silhouette, with their humped back, short tail, long slim legs, and long neck that dips downward and rises to a small narrow head. The upper lip is split into two sections that move independently. All three species are about 3 meters, 10 feet, long and 2 meters, 6.6 feet, high at the hump, itself 20 centimeters 8 inches. Males weigh 400 to 650 kilograms, 900 to 1,400 pounds, and females are about 10% smaller. Color is usually light brown but can be grayish. Domesticated Bactrian camels are darker, stockier, and woollier than the wild form. Heavy eyelashes protect the eyes from blowing sand, and the nostrils can be squeezed shut. The dromedary has horny pads on the chest and knees that protect it from searing desert sand when it lies down, but the Bactrian camel lacks these callosities. Camels are generally docile, but they will bite or kick when annoyed. When excited, camels huff so sharply that spit is incidentally expelled. Camels do not walk on their hooves. On each leg, weight is borne on 2 large toes that spread apart to keep the animal from sinking into the sand. Dromedaries have a soft wide-spreading pad for walking on sand. Bactrian camels have a firmer foot. Like the giraffes, the camel's gait is a pace, with both legs on a side moving together. Short bursts of 65 kilometers, 40 miles, per hour are possible, but camels are excellent plodders. Bactrian camels can carry more than 200 kilograms, about 440 pounds, for 50 kilometers, 31 miles, in a day, while the more lightly built dromedaries can carry up to 100 kilograms, about 220 pounds, for 60 kilometers, about 37 miles, if they are worked in the coolness of night. During catastrophic droughts, herdsmen may lose all of their cattle, sheep, and goats while 80% of the camels will survive, owing to the camel's ability to conserve water and tolerate dehydration. In severe heat a camel survives 4 to 7 days without drinking, but it can go 10 months without drinking at all if it is not working and the forage contains enough moisture. Even salty water can be tolerated, and between drinks it forages far from oases to find food unavailable to other livestock. The body rehydrates within minutes of a long drink, absorbing over 100 liters, 25 gallons, in 5–10 minutes. Cattle could not tolerate such a sudden dilution of the blood, because their red blood cells would burst under the osmotic stress. Camel erythrocyte membranes are viscous, that is, sticky and flow-resistant, which permits swelling. A thirsty camel can reduce its urine output to 1/5 of its normal volume and produce feces dry enough for herders to use as fuel for fires. Another adaptation is minimization of sweating. The fine woolly coat insulates the body, reducing heat gain. The camel also can allow its body temperature to rise to 41 degrees Celsius, 106 degrees Fahrenheit, before sweating at all. This reduces the temperature difference between the camel and its environment and thereby reduces heat gain and water loss by as much as 2/3. Only in the hottest weather must the camel sweat. It tolerates extreme dehydration and can lose up to 25–30% of its body weight, twice what would be fatal for most mammals. Camels have also adapted to desert conditions by being able to endure protein deficiency and eat items other livestock avoid, such as thorns, dry leaves, and saltbush. When food is plentiful, camels overeat, storing fat in one area on the back and forming a hump. When the fat is depleted, the hump sags to the side or disappears. Storing fat in one place also increases the body's ability to dissipate heat everywhere else. When not corralled, camels form stable groups of females accompanied by one mature male. Females breed by 3 to 4 years of age. Males begin to manufacture sperm at age 3 but do not compete for females until they are 6 to 8 years old. Males compete for dominance by circling each other with the head held low and biting the feet or head of the opponent and attempting to topple it. After one camel withdraws from the bout, the winner may roll and rub secretions onto the ground from a gland on the back of its head. The dominant male breeds with all the females in each stable group. After a gestation of 13 or 14 months, one calf weighing up to 37 kilograms, 81 pounds, is born, usually during the rainy season. Milk yields of 35 kilograms, about 77 pounds, per day are achieved in some breeds, e.g., the milch dromedary of Pakistan, though normal yield is about 4 kilograms, 9 pounds, per day. Herders typically divert most milk to their own use during the calf's first 9 to 11 months, then force weaning and take the rest. The calf is otherwise suckled 12 to 18 months. Females and males reproduce until about 20 years old. Longevity is 40 years. Camels are classified in the family Camelidae, which first appeared in North America 40 million years ago. North American camelid stock became extinct 10,000 years ago. Living South American camelids are represented by the llama, Llama glama, guanaco, L. guanico, vicuna, Vicuna vicuna, and alpaca, V. pacos. The lineage that produced modern dromedary and Bactrian camels diverged from the South American camelid lineage between 11 million and 25 million years ago. Dromedary and Bactrian camel lineages split from one another between 4 million and 5 million years ago, with wild and domestic Bactrian camels separating from one another between 1.5 million and 700,000 years ago. Bactrian camel domestication by human beings came much later, however, occurring between 6,000 and 4,000 years ago. By 2 million years ago, the early Pleistocene epoch, camelus representatives had crossed back to Asia and were present in Africa, Tanzania. During the Pleistocene epoch, 2.5 million to 11,700 years ago, camelids reached South America. The family Camelidae belongs to the order Artiodactyla, a large group of hoofed mammals. Until modern times, the camel was the backbone of the caravan trade, a central pillar of the economy in large parts of Asia and Africa. In settled regions, the caravanserai, located on the outskirts of most urban centers, served as a hub for business and as a source of information about the outside world for the city's residents. In the central Islamic lands, it likewise set the scene for many tales in the rich Arab-Persian oral tradition of storytelling, such as those found in the 1001 Nights. In Central Asia, vast and numerous camel caravans ensured the wealth and growth of the great trading cities of the Silk Road, upon which goods moved between Asia and Europe. Today the camel remains an important part of some local economies, although it has been surpassed by automated forms of transportation for most tasks. Camels are still bred for their meat, milk, and hair, and, beginning in the late 20th century, the age-old sport of camel racing was revived, particularly in the countries of the Arabian Peninsula but also as far afield as Australia and the United States.